On Meeting House Road in Pawling stands the Oblong Friends Meeting House, one of the oldest surviving Quaker meeting houses in New York, built in 1764 and listed on the National Register of Historic Places. It was a place of worship, community, and social reflection. And during the American Revolution, it was used as a field hospital. Today, this remarkable building still stands, much as it did over 260 years ago, with its original benches, galleries, and simple, purposeful design. This past season, and once again this year, the Oblong Meeting House is featured as part of the Quaker Meeting House tour, welcoming visitors from across the country to step inside and experience this piece of early American life up close. But the roof, the very element that protects this historic structure, is in urgent need of replacement. With your support, we can preserve this landmark so it continues to educate, inspire, and connect us to our past. Please join us in protecting the Oblong Friends Meeting House for generations to come.